Good morning, all are you. Welcome to our college, Sharadin Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at our Department of Information Technology. Here, vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission there. The stated their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here, course outcomes. After the completion of unit number 4, you achieve which CO that implement basic operations on linked list. Here, syllabus for you. This is a syllabus for course that there are total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Here, syllabus of unit number 4. We continue the unit number 4 in a last previous point. Operations on circular linked list. In that, we continue the point menu driven program for circular linked list. After that, we studied that difference between SLL, DLL and CLL means singly linked list, doubly linked list, and after that circular linked list. Next point, applications on linked list. Here, menu driven program of circular linked list in under which methods are we studied: create, insert, delete, search, and display. Here, header files are there: stdconio and malloc.h, because in that program we memory allocation done at the time of execution. So you use which header file? malloc.h. After that, these are the function declaration. Okay, in that 3 types are there: function declaration, function definition, and function call. In under this is the function declaration. Which functions we studied? Create, insert at beginning, insert at end, insert at position, delete at beginning, delete after position, delete at end. Any elements are searched on that list. After that, display. Here here structure declaration are there. This is the variable variable declaration at global variable declaration. Why we declare the global? Because these variables are used in under overall program are there. White main, this is the variable declaration. After that, printf, in that display the message for user understanding purpose. After that, menu driven will be displayed. While loop. After that, here printf function in this through display the every time to menu for user understanding purpose. Switch case is used in under switch case. Cases are there. In that each case, one by one functions are called: create, insert at beginning, insert at end. After that, after position, delete at beginning, at end, and at after position. After that, search, and after the display. These are the function calls. Here, white main is completed. After that, one by one function definitions are there. In under create function, these are the function structure variable declaration. Temp variables are there. The printf, in the display the message for user understanding purpose. The scanf, which elements are entered by the user that are stored in a data variable. After that, temp malloc, these are the memory allocation for new variable or new data will be entered on that list that will be stored at a temp info. In that, check the condition last is equal to null. This condition is true, and automatically that the temporary variables are stored at the last variable. and change the link means address of the next element, otherwise else part will be executed. In that last means what, this is first in the if check the last is equal to null, means in that circular linked list the pointer is the stored at the last position, last node. Okay, that time to check that, else this is not continuous not true, means obviously that on that list some elements are there, so that time we check that last link means that address of the next elements are there, it is possible, then that temp link means on that temp variables the last address are connected with that variable, after that that temp data directly connected to that address of that, and that value also be stored on that last element. Create means what, one by one elements are entered on that list. Okay, so our in a circular linked list the pointers will be stored at the last element, so one by one elements are connected or added on that the after the last element. So in that check the last node position. The void insert at beginning, this function will be definition are there, and under these are the structure variable declaration, which elements are entered that are stored in a data variable, after that the memory allocations are done, temporary value will be stored at that temp variable and display it. These coding are also explained in the when we studied the theory part. Again I am repeated it. While insert at end, in that under temp variables are declared, which elements are entered by the user that are stored in a data. Again that repeated the steps. Memory allocation is done, temporary data will be stored as the temporary variable. After that in that what is the function, what is our aim, insert at end. So in that check the last node and that time to that position are inserted it, and display function will be called, means value will be displayed when run that case or run that condition. After that while insert after position, means any after position you want to insert the element, that will be done. Which enter the user by which enter the number by the user, that will be stored on a data variable. After that user through enter the position, in which position to insert the data you want, that are stored in a POS variable, means position variable. Memory allocation is done, that data will be stored in a before in a temp variable. For that check that you insert the element in a position, so for loop will be used because we travel the data in the list first to that up to that position. When we found that time to check the queue, means which are the enter that data are is equal to last of next elements are checked, the is equal to, then means obviously that queue variables are what which purpose we taken, because we travel the list from one node to another node. In that check that will be the last element, means obviously you enter the element is last, but it is not our aim, we enter the element at the position, so message will be displayed there are less than element. This condition is not true, means this true, the data will be entered at the position. In that check first queue of link means address of the next element, that will be stored in a temporary link, that temp data will be stored at that address, and the check queue is equal to last. This condition is true, means that temp variables are stored and that last node. I delete at beginning, in that check firstly variables are declared in that single node in the list. Okay, means one node are there, that time to that last link is equal to last elements, means that free that last element and message will be displayed list is empty. Otherwise check next condition, last is equal to null, this message displays list is empty, otherwise first element will be deleted. Firstly, that link of address are assigned to that queue variable, and that queue of link are connected to that last link, and that queue variables are free. That means automatically first elements are deleted on that list. Del at end means delete the at the end position, end node. That again variable declaration are done. That structure check that last is equal to null. This condition is true means list is empty. You want to delete it at the end. In that single nodes are there, means automatically that last of link is equal to null, means that free that, and message will be displayed list as empty. Otherwise, check the travel from first node to another last node. And that queue of link means address to the next element up to that check, and the last element last node are free that, and that pointers are assigned to that last, and last elements are deleted. Message will be displayed. While del after position, you want to delete at a particular position. At time message will be displayed. Index after which elements to be deleted, that will be stored in a position variable. After that last node, because in a circular linked list pointer will be stored at the last element, so that last address is assigned to that queue variable. Up to that position list will be travel. If that last element is equal to queue means obviously that last elements are deleted, but our aim is the after the position, so their message will be displayed there are the less elements. In that if condition is checked, that q is the pointer for taken travel from one element to next element or one node to another node. This is checked that this is equal to means the last link means last address are assigned to that q variable. Free that last node means obviously you delete the last element on that list. That white display message will be definition up there. In that display the elements by one. First of all, we check the condition last is equal to null, means obviously on that list no any elements are there, so message will be displayed list is empty. Otherwise, while conditions are taken, in that q variables are taken for which purpose? That the pointer purpose, because you travel one node to another node because you display the elements on that list. The search functions are there. In that you want to search the element on that list, that time use it. Which elements will be searched, that will be stored in an item variable. In that check that last of list stored in a temp variable, which enter the elements are searched, that will be stored in a temp variable. In that while we check that condition temp not is equal to last, if the condition is true means that temp info means inner info field which elements are entered, that will be stored, that will be checked to the item. This is equal to found that means, and message will be display element as is found at the index and return it. This condition is not true means that elements are not present on that list. Okay, first in that this is the pre-increment, because your pointer will be stored in a last node, it is the circular linked list, so pointer will be post incremented by there. After that one by one node are checked with that item. In the last case means what, the elements are not there, that time the message will be displayed element is not found. Okay, otherwise one by one elements are checked using this condition. this is the output are there. This again I am to showing using to Turbo C++ software. Okay, I'm to showing using Turbo C++ software how to run that program. All this program will be explained that these are the header files, these are the function declaration, structure variable declaration. After that void main, these are the switch case. One by one functions will be called. After that there are the function definition. First of all, compile it. Shortcut key is Alt F9. To that, run it. Observe the output are there. There are the menu diagram will be displayed. First option is selected. Enter elements means which elements you want to insert on that list. That will be entered it. Second choice are there. The insert at beginning. For example, I am giving the elements are 10. It will be inserted it. Third choice, insert at end. I am given the element 50. Insert it. Fourth choice, at the position. For example, I am entered the 25 number and and position, for example 0 1. I am giving the one element. After the first position 25 will be stored. Fifth choice, first element will be deleted. Sixth choice, last element will be deleted. After the seventh element, enter the index which elements to be deleted. For example, I am given a first position, so at the first position, because in that linked list starting from the 0th position, array will be start with 0 position, so 20 will be at the first positions are there, that will be deleted. 8th step in a 8th choice, search condition will be executed. For example, I am given a 20 number is found that I am given the value as a 50. 50 is not there on that list, the message will be display element not found. After that, 9th choice for display purpose and 10th choice for the exit purpose. This is the program for run using to Turbo C++ software. Next point will be taken, difference between SLL, DLL, CLL. After that, application. Here, following table differentiate between singly, doubly and circular linked list. In that, parameters are there. After that, in each column, one by one list are there, means SLL, DLL and CLL. Parameters first structure, means what is the structure of that list. Okay, these are the structure, means the syntax of that, how to create the or how to add the node in the list. These are the SLL, this is double and this is the CLL for the singly circular and for the doubly circular. Okay, these are the codes are explained in the lecture 1. So you know that. After that, address parameter. In that, pointers points the address of the next node in the list. And in a doubly, pointers contains the address of the next node as well as the previous nodes are there. Clear that? Means what? In that singly linked list, only for next address are will be stored, but in a doubly, previous and next both pointers are there. In that, pointers cannot be contains the address of the previous node, as it is depends on the types of circular linked list. Means what? That types of circular linked list is singly or doubly. connection. Last element is linked to a full object. In that last element is linked to a null object. The last element is linked with the first element. Connection is the how to connect that elements are there. In that last element is linked to the null object. In a doubly linked list, optional null, but only for in a circular linked list, that link will be the connected with the first element. Number of pointers, 1 pointers are there. In that 2 pointers are there. Can have 1 or 2 pointers are there. Link to other node. Each node of the list is connected to the next node. In a doubly, the next node also know about the previous node. In a circular linked list, the last node knows about the first node and the first node know about the last node. Means in that difference between the address of the next element depends on that. Ability in that in a SLL means single linked list, we cannot move in a backward direction because only one address are there. That's why not move the backward direction. But in a doubly linked list, this is possible that because in that previous link will be there, means that we move from backward as well as forward direction. We in a circular we can or cannot move in a backward direction, as it depends on the types of circular linked list. Means it is the list for the singly or doubly. Check that after that move the direction. Insert in a between. Means how to insert that element on that list. 2 address needs to be updated. In that 4 address needs to be updated because in that only 4 next elements are there. Next link are there. That's why only for you need 2 address are there in that 4 address because previous and next both address are there. In a CLL 2 or 4 address need to be updated. Next last point in under the unit number 4. After this lecture you complete the unit number 4. Next lecture to start the last chapter, that is the 5th chapter. Last point are there applications of linked list. In under which applications are applications means in short advantages or in which areas they use the linked list concept or linked list data structure. First, polynomial addition or multiplication. Polynomial equations can be added and multiplied easily using linked list because in a linked list dynamically memory allocation is done as compared to array. So it is easy for you. Linked list holds the each coefficient and exponential part as information part. Next advantage is radix sort. Radix sort, the address calculated sort use the linked list to perform the sorting. Radix sort, that point will be under the in a second chapter sorting method. These are the one type of sorting methods are there. That time to use the linked list data structure for the storing the purpose. To perform arithmetic operations on large numbers using existing data types such as integer long, it is not possible to perform arithmetic operations large numbers. Linked lists solve these problems by splitting them into digits and holding them in a nodes. Implementation of stack and queue means using the stack and queue also use the data structure, that time to use linked list. Data structures such as stack and queues are implementation for the linked list. Means what in the stack and queue also use the using through linked list memory allocation is done because in through array static variables are there, means static memory allocation is done, but in a linked list dynamically you want to insert the element, it is a possible that. After that next application memory management. In that the unused nodes can be maintained as the free list. There is not be any memory wastages in a linked list. After the 6th element, symbols table implementation. Symbol tables are used to compile the construction and the related fields. There can be used dictionary for the values. Linked list based suited for the implementation of this table. Symbol tables means in that use that in a maths related, so that time to also use the linked list concept. Garbage collection, there are used in a garbage collection and linked dictionary. These are the some applications. You want to add the extra applications that use it, write in your own words, but it is the applicable for the linked list concept. Summary on that today's lecture. On that lecture, which points are conducted, operations of circular linked list in under menu driven program of circular linked list. After the difference between SLL, DLL and CLL, and next point, applications of linked list. Homework for you, continue the assignment number 4. 3 questions are there that will be completed it. Here finish your unit number 4, that is the linked list. Through the next lecture we start the new chapter, that is the last chapter, 5th chapter, trees and graphs. In this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.